News at 5.
Good evening. Thank you for being with us. I'm Amy Hockers.
And I'm Kelsey Carlson. With jury selection in the Derek Chauvin trial set to begin Monday, Minneapolis city leaders expect the first protest to begin as early as Sunday.
Today, the Minneapolis mayor and police chief addressed how all the heavy security now in place is being perceived by the public. Fox 9's Rob Olson is live at the courthouse with more. Rob?
Yeah, I tell you what, and a lot of other topics today, too, and what they said was likely the last briefing before Monday. One of the things they announced is that beginning tomorrow, they're going to have applications from community groups who can then serve as de-escalation groups in the public on the ground. That's part of the security precautions, which are pretty heavy down here in Hennepin County.
We know that with the beginning of this trial, it also means an increasing number of protests.
The heavily fortified Hennepin County Government Center, multiple layers of fencing and barricades and barbed wire, city leaders say they know looks daunting. They want the community to know it is not there to stop peaceful protests and demonstrations. It is there to stop a repeat of last spring's riots.
Those outside instigators that were certainly present in late May and early June, they seek to cause destruction and chaos in our city by using peaceful protesters as cover, by using them as a shield.
Mayor Jacob Fry has been meeting with community groups and activists who tell him they worry about the mutual aid who will be here, the outside agencies and National Guard, that they may be less sensitive to peaceful protesting. But he and the chief assure they've all had state-mandated de-escalation training and got additional training depending on their assignment.
We support that First Amendment peaceful civic participation.
And the chief stressed again that none of this, which will be here for months, aims to interfere with free speech.
Setting fires to structures of any kind will not be tolerated. Illegal fireworks, throwing objects, as well as pedestrians going on to our freeways, that cannot be tolerated. And so we want to make that very clear.
So as far as the mutual aid partners go, they say it's now more than a dozen agencies, but they didn't have an exact number today. And those deployments of those officers and guardsmen will escalate during the proceedings so that most of it is here when we get close to jury deliberations. That's when they expect more attention down here. Now, as far as how that's all going to be paid for, well, there's expected to be a vote at the Capitol on Monday on a bill there to help pay for mutual aid. That has been controversial, back and forth debated at the Capitol in recent weeks. But what we're hearing is a vote could come on Monday, the same day that jury selection begins. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Rob.